How to apply for an overdraft at Danske Bank applying. For an overdraft with Danske Bank is quick and can be done directly through the app or online banking. Make sure you're at least 18 years old and have a current account with the bank. Start by opening the Danske Bank mobile banking app on your phone. Log in using your PIN, Face ID, or fingerprint. Select the account you want to add an overdraft to. Scroll down and tap Apply for Overdraft or Manage Overdraft. If you don't see this option, go to the Products or Loans section. In the app menu, enter the amount you want and review the interest rate and fees shown on the screen. You may need to answer a few quick questions about your income and spending. Once done, review your application and tap Submit. Most overdraft decisions are made instantly. Others may take up to 1 business day. If approved, your new overdraft limit will appear under your account balance right away. If you prefer, you can also apply through Danske Bank online banking or by visiting a local branch. Always make sure you understand the interest charges and terms before using an overdraft, and that's it. That's how you apply for an overdraft at Danske Bank quickly and safely. Thanks for watching.